welcome back. So today I have another DIY for you. So guys, if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. This is a 2-tier organizer. It is from Aldi and it was only $9, but I don't like how bland it looks, so I'm going to try to just make it a little bit more glamorous. Okay, I know you guys can't really see this, but this is a large poster board from the Dollar Tree. And what I'm gonna do is just cut it to size as close as I can. And then I will measure out on the drawer this size that I need to cut the paper. So next I'll be taking this Bling Wrap from the Dollar Tree. Okay guys, so right now I'm just putting up this foam board that I got from the Dollar Tree, and all I'm doing is just lining my background so that I have a nice white background here, and I'm gonna go all the way around. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to do this off camera, but I did want to show you guys what this is in case you want to go pick this up from Dollar Tree. So that's it guys, that's all that I have today. I hope you guys have enjoyed this little video. If you have, please give me a big thumbs up, as well as subscribing to my channel and hitting that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.